Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you all so much for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions, for your word of encouragement. I met so much beautiful people on this platform. Thank you all so much. Right now I want to tell you something I'm so excited about. You can see how I'm smiling, I'm laughing, I'm going like hee. Okay, so I was able to do my own hair by myself. Yay! Praise the Lord. Okay, I cannot even do my hair by myself. Like, I'm always like, I can't do it. So I thought about it, that people that are doing it, they are just human being like me. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to give this a try. This is crochet. Okay, I did the calabar under it, you know, that single braids that you do with your natural hair. I did that, and I kind of, you know, put this inside of it. It's not that neat, I'm not there yet, but I'll keep working on it. And how do I do? Let me know. Give me a comment down below, and please, if you would like to see the simple and intense smoky look, very easy, you know my word is bam bam bam. Okay, keep on watching, and please leave me a comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
There comes a time in every man's life.
I already did my brows off the camera as usual, and I prepped my eyelid with the Prep and Prime by MAC. The eyeshadow that I'll be using today is by BH Cosmetics. It's called the Glam Reflection the Smoke, and I'll be coming with the liquid gel by Clinique. Those are the 4 brushes that I'll be using to achieve this look. Please keep on watching. So right now I'm pointing to those 3 shades that I'll be using from this palette: the black, the orange, and the kind of brownish color. In order for me to blend out the black that I applied on my lid, I pick up a smaller blending brush that will actually fit perfectly into my crease. That's what I'm using to blend right now. So for my second eyelid, in order for me to achieve the intense smoky look, I use a gel liner. You could use any one of your choice. This is by Clinique, and all you have to do is to put the black eyeshadow to set it. So the more intense that you want it, the more gel liner you will use, and you set it with the liquid eyeshadow, and that is it. So I went ahead and used a black pencil to tighten up the top of my lash line in order to avoid any kind of space showing, to make it more smoky, if that makes sense. Foundation wise, powder wise, contour wise, highlighter wise, nothing has changed. It's still the same process, and I've not bought any new products, so there's no point wasting time to show you what I was using. So I went off the camera and I did all this. And if you're wondering what powder is on my face to set, that's the Sacha Buttercup, and that's it. The lipstick that I use today is by Black Radiance. Is the HD Lip Sculptor, and this is in shade Queen Bee. I went ahead and did, you know, all the other things. I don't like wasting a lot of time because they're all the same thing that I've been using. Like I said, I haven't bought anything new regarding all that. When I get new products, I will surely let you guys know.
go collect. Oh wale, oh one it. Pack 'em, body too correct. Oh no, Erima no forget. Money go befu,